everyone, Katie Lillian with Velours Floral Designs. Today I'm going to show you how I made this Thanksgiving centerpiece. If you enjoy this kind of video, please keep on watching. So I went and put my tablecloth down and my runner. It's just a sheer that I found at Joann's. And then the wicker basket I found in the craft section at Michael's, and the platter. And then I taped down my wet foam. And then I found this Willow Eucalyptus, and I'm going to place it lengthwise with my table to kind of create more of a garlandy look. And then I brought in this Nandina for filling in. It also has a really fun orange berry that sometimes comes on the bush. And then lengthwise as well, I added the Kiwi Branches. I also filled in with that red Autumn Blaze maple, and then came in with a bright sunflower as my first focal flower. And then as I moved towards the center, I found some matching mums, football mums, and just kind of filled in the space in between with more airy plants because I don't want too many focal flowers all clumped together in one place. Then I placed some skewers on these little apples to really give this arrangement a very festive Thanksgiving feel. Once I was done, I set the table for my party to come over that night. It was just two of my cousins and my sister and we had a really good time eating really good food and just enjoying having a really fun setting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, photo shoots and just DIYs and tutorials and things. Be sure to push the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my videos, and I really hope to see you back here soon.